In this tutorial, I will show you how to find a specific font name from a website within few steps. For every new graphic or web designers, to know about different kind of font name is very much important. But when they visit any website or look into a font, it is hard for them to know the actual font name. So, within few minutes, you can find any font, name, color, size, height, weight in one place, and you can use them for your own design purpose. We will use Google Chrome browser for that. Let's go to the Google Chrome extension store and search for font checker. Click on first one and install it to your Chrome. Now, after the successful install, pin it in your browser. Now, go to the browser you want to know about font. For that, we will use a website called the 99design.com. This is very much popular among every designers. So in this section, we want to know the font name, color, height, weight they are using. Just click on the icon of the font checker and hover the mouse pointer into this section and you will get the font name they are using. Now click on a line and you will see all the information that they are using. The color name, line, height, size, style, all this information you want. If we hover into the color, we can see the color code also. And if you click again this icon of font checker and it will be gone. Isn't it easy now for you? Now play with any font you want. This is your professor. If you find it useful, hit subscribe and do like the video for more tips and tricks.